and welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And guys, today, yes, you read the title correctly. We are going fishing on an airbed. Guys, we have our airbed from when we went camping with the Jackery 300. I don't know if my bed will fit through the door of my nice big palace of a tent, but we're gonna see if we can squeeze her in. Guys, this is a queen size bed. I've used it a few nights. I cannot tell you how excited I am to try this dumb idea out. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna float or fail, but whatever happens, you're gonna be there with me. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and get blowed up. And I'm probably gonna show you that, but I'm gonna fast forward it so you don't have to like, ugh. But guys, we'll see you after I've got my boat blowed up. All right, guys, it's game time. Let's see whether this is going to be a thing or whether I'm going to be wet. I don't have a line on it, of course, because it's a bed. So, initial thoughts, yes, it does float. Now let's see if it floats with me on it. I guess there's nothing to it but just to do it. Yes, this does float with me on it. Oh, this feels sketchy as all get out. Oh, and it turns super good too. That's weird. Okay, let's see if I can actually sit on this. Right now. Oh God. Can I sit up on this? Yes. Oh, this is a lean back position for sure. If I catch one fish off of this thing, I'm considering it a win. Oh my God. Dismounting might be a problem. Okay, maybe this is how I do this. Guys, I'm trying not to get wet, but I'm feeling like I am going to have to get wet to get off of this thing. Okay. Oh Christ. The things I do for content. Okay. As soon as I go to get off of this thing, it floats away on me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to belly crawl off of this thing. Damn. Don't you run off. Whew. Lord, that was sketchy as all get out. Whew. Well, guys, let's go get a fishing rod. If I catch one fish, I don't care if I don't catch nothing else. I'm gonna call that a win, and I'm posting it. All right, guys, normally I would put you on my chest and we would go, but, well, you just saw how much trouble I had. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have you up here on dry ground, and I'm gonna put you as wide a shot as possible. There's no one here except for me and one other guy that says he's gonna subscribe. So if I catch one, you're gonna hear me whoop and holler, and I'm gonna hold it up so that you can see it. But unfortunately, the camera can't come with me. You're too valuable, and where I have to lay down or have some kind of awkward position, the camera's not gonna see anything. So what I'm gonna do is just face y'all towards the water. And we're gonna hope that I don't drown. All right, guys, for content. It takes a little getting used to, but it can be done. Well, guys, I'm hung up, but I think I can just pull myself over. No, don't pop my thing. Guys, I think I've scared all the fish away. So, I believe this part of our video is over with. I'm getting off of this thing before I drown. Short paddle too. Whew. Well, guys, if I don't die, whew, Lord Almighty. Can you fish off of a bed? Yes, you can. Unfortunately, I just stirred everything up too much to catch anything off a bed. But I ain't done yet. I'll see you in a minute. All right, now that I've got it over to my truck, I'm gonna tip it up as much as I can, and we're gonna pull the cork on it. Not a single drip. Well, guys, this might have possibilities for something down the road, but today we're going to switch back to fishing on good, old, solid ground. See if we can catch something. All right, guys, so I'm seeing a lot of topwater action, so let's give them a little bit of a pop-R and see if they're interested at all. Come on. Ah, he got off. Oh, guys, I've got to catch one. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. The end of fishing from an air mattress. Guys, does this work? Yes, it does work. We were able to get out and float and throw a line. So, yes, you can do this. Now, guys, it's called fishing, not catching. So, unfortunately, we didn't catch anything while we were fishing today. Maybe another day we will, but not today. But, guys, this is not only the end of this video, it's also the end of Awesome August. Guys, Awesome August has been so good for me. Guys, I've got videos, several videos in the many hundreds of views. May even by the time this video comes out, I might even have a couple that are touching 1,000. That is epic, epic news for me, because that means that I'm doing better and I'm trying to satisfy my audience. That would be you all. But guys, this is over with, so we're gonna quit carrying it around. Guys, for Awesome August, we do this every single year. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We did it all month long. You all were there. If you were there until the very end of every single video, put down them comments. I was there. But as for the end of this video, we're here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, subscribe. We are pushing for 1,000 views. And you could be one of them, but if you don't want to, you'll just miss out, because we'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.